And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an RGB Glitch Text Effect in Adobe Photoshop. It's a two-part process, and we first need some text. So let me use the type tool, put it on a black background in this example, but it works on every background color, and it works with every font. Let me press Ctrl A to select it all, then I use the top menu while the move tool is activated to center it. Make sure that you are on your text layer and press Ctrl J 3 times to copy it. So you've got the original and 3 copies. And now right click on the copies and get rid under blending options of one of the color channels, or maybe 2. You can use different combinations here. I'll just make it red, green and blue. So in the reverse order. And then I use the arrow keys and move these layers a little bit around. And you can see, depending on where I move them, I've got different overlaps, and that creates different colors. So you might want to experiment around with that a little bit. I'm content with that. Let me select it all, so I hold Shift and Shift click on the bottom and the top layer, and then I press Ctrl E to merge them. Now the second step comes into play. Just use the marquee tool. You can press M for that, and then use the move tool. You can press V for that as a short key. And that way you can drag these parts of the text, so of this merged text layer, to the side, top and bottom, and thus create this glitch effect. So it's always the same process. M for the marquee tool, select an area, then press V for the selection tool, drag it to the side, or top and bottom, and then press Ctrl D to deselect it, and start all over again with the new area. And this is how you can recreate this RGB glitch text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.